to share my insights of the market with y'all and hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. And we can see that that's already happening, man. Salute to everybody making money with us along this journey here of financial freedom. Salute to everybody that's just pulling up on us. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, like button. You know the drill. YouTube has to see that y'all enjoy this content in order to push it out so that more people become aware of it. First things first, come follow our private investment community, private stock market game on Facebook. Almost 5,000 active investors. Trust me, you want to tap in with this community, man. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep saying it. So as well, come follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. That way, in case anything happens with the channel, y'all are tapped in with me over here. We're almost at 5,000 followers here, as well as follow me on Instagram in case something happens over here as well. Because y'all seen, they were targeting a few people, and for some reasons channels were disappearing. And who would bring y'all this live, minute by minute, play by play technical analysis, on Shib, and a lot of these other projects that we're following, if I wasn't dropping this for y'all, man. So let me know, man. But follow us here. We're doing excellent right now. I got a new price target for us now, y'all. Congratulations, y'all stayed down for the come up, because now we are on the rise. So new price target. Do a little TA real quick and see why we what we see here. So we have our Fibonacci already set up from our last swing low to the swing high. If y'all have been following my videos, you would already know what this tool means. If you don't know what this tool means, then please go back my last about 35 videos and get brought up to speed, so that way you can know how to use these tools and understand what's going on here. Also, I have a very limited offer. 50 seats were offered on the floor price for my technical analysis course. If you have more than $1,000 invested into crypto right now and you don't understand this and you don't know how to do this for yourself, then you are selling yourself short. You are not taking this serious, and you're going to end up losing a lot more money by just never learning how to swim, basically, before you start swimming with the sharks. Because I'm telling you, smart money institutions, whales, bad devs, these people are like sharks, so you want to know how to protect yourself and swim appropriately, or just swim with the right way, and be able to move quickly through these waters, because it can get dangerous out here with your money on the line. So make sure you tap in with me via email if you want to learn what you're doing. Also, just a quick update, Robinhood is about to drop their crypto wallet. I just went from over 100,000 on the list to I'm down to 5,000 right now. So I just went from position 10,000. Let me see exactly. I just went from position, or the notification left off my phone, but I just went from around 10,000 to 5,000. Now what I want to do is test something out, because I notice every time someone uses my Robinhood link in the description section, they move me further and further. I want to test out how close are they to releasing this crypto wallet, because I believe once they release the crypto wallet, that is when they'll officially list SHIB, because they want to make the most from those transaction fees. And they know a lot of people will be reluctant to use Robinhood as a place to store their SHIB if they can't have control of their own crypto, because Robinhood, people that have dogecoin, bitcoin, ethereum on Robinhood, they don't truly actually own the crypto, because Robinhood is holding it in their own wallet for you. So Robinhood is not a wallet where you can send in and receive funds from another exchange. You can only buy what Robinhood has on there. So a lot of more experienced crypto investors or traders didn't like that, and that's why they refused to buy crypto on Robinhood. So Robinhood wants to drop the crypto wallet, and then I believe we're likely to see SHIB. Now a lot of people are speculating that we could see Robinhood list SHIB by the end of October. So a lot of people are saying tomorrow. I don't know how true that article was, but we never know. We right here, we got about an hour until we're into the next day. Y'all know I'm in Las Vegas time. Stay tuned. Yes, I will still be having my crypto seminar. The crypto concert will be still this December. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I got a lot of new information that will be dropping on y'all, so that way y'all will be more informed about that as well. But I believe we're about to see the Robinhood crypto wallet drop. If we see that, if we see the Robinhood crypto wallet drop anytime soon, get ready. Just know that it's a wrap. We can see, I honestly believe that once we see the Robinhood listing, yes, I do believe SHIB has the possibility of going to 1 cent, but once we see that Robinhood listing, I think it's going to happen even faster than anybody else expects it to, that is bullish on this. Now remember, none of this is financial advice. It can always do something different, and I'm just here to try to give y'all some psychology of the market as well. But back to the TA part, we forming a bullish triangle. We just had a massive impulse. Impulse is just buyers buying, continuously pushing the price up. So we seen some pullback once we hit this 46 range. We hit around a 45, 43 about exactly. 45.22, give or take a little bit. We hit there, and then we seen some pullback to this the 4 range. Now we opened up here on this next candle on. No, actually, excuse me. We had some pullback to the 35 range. Then we opened back up on the next candle here at this 36 range. And right now in the day chart, we're hovering around that 4 level. So right now we're dipping into the threes, but we established a new floor. Right now, I truly believe, we were seeing some psychological walls or some barriers here at this 45 level. So a lot of people took profits right there because, they weren't sure. And some people might have been in for a very long time and just decided, it's time for them to take some profits. We ain't mad at them because we can interpret this data and decide, when other people take profits, that gives us a chance to add to our position, at a cheaper price. So, that's another thing y'all want to keep in mind. So we seen resistance now here along this 23.6% range on the Fibonacci tool. And what that, remember, these are likely key areas of support, but they can also be key areas of resistance as well. So all we need to do is break through this, which I know is coming. Look, the volume is still looking good. We are about to just basically, it looks like we're going to kind of staircase up a little bit. We might, trade over a little bit sideways and have a little breakout. I'm gonna show you what the chart is telling us is likely to happen, but just me looking at it right now before, with all that, it's looking like we could, possibly just continue to staircase up right into, I'm gonna give y'all my price target. Drop in the comment section and do a guess. I'm gonna let y'all know, exactly where I think. But I threw a trend line here on the day chart, just right here, seeing where we're finding resistance and seeing where the trend is. We still got some. We're still holding this area nicely. So it's looking real nice right now, y'all. We're still very bullish. We're holding the trend. We're still even if we had pullback all the way along this trend line here. See, I want y'all to see the bigger picture. This would still not be bad. Of course, we don't want it to pull back to the 3.3s. We don't want that. But even if it did pull back to that range, we still know it's holding this overall trend line. So I'm trying to teach y'all how to visualize this so y'all don't get scared. So we might push back up to this 44 range. We got a psychological wall right there. We might trade over sideways to this is the trend that we're in right here. So we're on the day chart. So we're going to be in trading within this range because each one of these candles here form a day. So we know it's not going to, be somewhere, ridiculous over this way. It's going to be somewhere, within this range right here. So we're still testing this trend line here for, a breakout. So it could want to push the price down to it has a squeeze right there, a convergence, and we see a breakout here in this range. We could continue to see it, hold, a strong support here at this range, and we keep this as a resistance line and then break from there. But let's see. So what I did was just measure the length of the flag here with this, and we just drop it in a few areas to determine where is it likely to want to break out to. So our first area, if we trade around this range, if we keep this triangle here, then our breakout target is around this 53 range. Now, if we hold this 23.6 range, and it's a little crooked too, so it don't got to be perfect. Remember, this is just what's likely to happen. It does not mean it's 100% accurate. I'm just trying to teach y'all how to understand this data and make better informed decisions. So we could see people will begin, if we break out of this range, once we break this 45 range, this psychological barrier here, that next barrier will be around the 52s. We'll break the 5s, because if we zoom all the way out, we can see that 5 range. We'll break through that 5 range. That'll be a little barrier right there, but we will break it. We'll probably test that 52 range, 53 range. People start to probably sell off. Hopefully we can hold, as high as either the 49 to 5 range. If we can hold that right there, that'll be very, very nice, extremely bullish. But even if we pull back around to this 23.6 range to the the forward levels, or even up here to this 45 range, and we held that, and that became the new floor, and we allow it to take a rest. We allow some new people, people to because y'all got to remember, everybody doesn't just have funds to continuously invest. People have to wait for their paychecks to come in. People got to wait for Friday. Some people got to wait for the first. You know what I'm saying? It's all types of stuff. So y'all got to keep that in mind, that it takes some time for the money to cycle around. People have to liquidate money from other projects and move it over. So that's all a part of the psychology of the market, understanding the cycles and how it moves. So we hold support at the 45 range, and then we can continue to break out from that range to retest those 52s, and we'll be at all-time highs, y'all. And now even I honestly see us doing something more like this. Let me zoom in a little bit more for y'all. So y'all see how we are holding this support here? We're very, very bullish. Yes, the volume is tapering off a little bit, so we might see a little, pull back if we don't hold this range. But if we hold this range where we are right now, off of this 23.6% support, we will be testing the sixes, y'all. I got a price target of the sixes. You see how our trend line continues? It moves us right there to the 6 range. If we measure that breakout of the width of the flag from that 23.6% range, if we hold that as a support, that's right there at that 6 range. So it could take some time for that breakout to happen up there. It might want to shake some new people out, get a lot of people to take profit, but y'all hold the line. This is not financial advice. You're free to do whatever you want, but if you want to be future millionaires, you gotta learn to have diamond hands. It pays off. I sold my dogecoin position 2 months early. If I'd have held it 2 months longer, I would have had $250,000 off of that dogecoin play. I made a nice amount of money, but it wasn't $250,000 just off of that play. That would have been very nice to catch. So I'm trying to, save some of y'all from paper handing out of y'all position, or, panic selling, and also try to inform the other half of y'all, to let y'all know that y'all are doing good, that we are on course, and don't panic, man. And I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. So let me know if y'all find any of this information valuable. Also, we got to keep up with other projects that are, coming to the space as well. So, with the BSC tokens, it's a lot of shaky stuff that goes on over there. So I like to not only cover BSC tokens but ERC20 as well. So here's one that I checked out. It came across my desk, and I took a look at the chart, and this is I'm a technical analyst, so when I see perfect buying opportunities like this, it's worth checking out. What do y'all start to see right here? So this is some technical analysis. This is a chance for y'all to perform some TA on a new crypto that is not Shiba Inu, and you can start to see how some of these things I've been teaching y'all apply to not just SHIB but all crypto stocks in general. So here we already see our previous resistance here becoming a support. Grab our horizontal line so we can throw, we could come start throwing our support and resistances here. So we got one right there. Boom. We can see, it did have a little breakthrough right there, but that was a resistance right there, and we can see it again right there. So that's this is a tricky area right here. We have to decide what's about to happen right here, which most likely it wants to go back up because a lot of money just came off the table. When this happens, look at all this. Boom. All this just came off the table, whether it was whales, smart money, whatever. It came, or just early investors, it came off the table, and now this is a good support area right here. So this would be basically buying where smart money would enter in again. So definitely I want y'all to check this project out. So it's called Misty Inu. Now remember, I told y'all these new anime ERC20 tokens are becoming a wave. I called it. I told y'all that. Look at Deku Inu, look at Charizard Inu, look at Luffy Inu, look at man, so many of them. Goku Inu, Gogeta Inu. Man, these are about to, some of these are sleeping giants, y'all. Like I truly believe some of these are about to pop. And I don't want y'all to miss out on them. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you just to ape into anything. I'm telling you to come check the projects out. Come tap in with the communities. Come ask questions. Come find out more about it and determine if you like the project. So the website for this one is mistyinuvaifu.com. So your new waifu for Leifu, Misty Inu. So just looking at the website overall, I came and scrolled through it. I opened up the Twitter and the Telegram just to have it loaded up, because sometimes it can be tricky when I'm trying to do these videos if I try to load something as because I'm recording this live, giving it to y'all raw like this. So, it can kind of slow the momentum down in the video if the page starts loading and stuff like that. So I try to get that up sometimes. But the graphic looks clean. I like how they had a new creation, actually had a graphic designer make this for them. And it's not just a generic copy of the other Dogecoin, remake logos that we're seeing. So Misty Inu, your new waifu for Leifu. I'm not sure what that means, but you can buy it on Uniswap. Y'all already familiar with the channel. Y'all know how to do that. Dex Tools is the chart that you would use for the ERC20 tokens, just like basically BSC charts like PooCoin, but for ERC20 tokens. So one thing when I first came here, I noticed it's kind of plain, and I almost thought only because I got the experience to know to click around through here, I know to click on these different tabs. But one thing I would have just liked to see be a full page where we could just scroll through, because some people might just come here, new investors, and might not even know to click on the page. So one thing y'all got to do, is know to click, actually too. And I would like to see the team update this where we could just, scroll through and see these different things. So tokenomics tab. So this is very important. Y'all want to pay attention to. So in a world saturated by poo coins, we aim to stand out amongst the crowd. So this is also a little hard to read right here. This gray, maybe it should have been like more white or something. But so many people in this space use great ideas and never take them to their full potential. There is no other waifu. It's always been Misty, the leader of Cerulean City Gym. She is well versed in battle against all types of Pokemon, a fitting totem, as we as a team are well versed in the battle against rugs and scams, honeypots, fake renounces, and more. So I like that, because that's a big thing that we're seeing right now on the BSC side. These fake renounces, honeypots, rugs, and scams is running rampant right now. So that's why y'all been seeing me shift a little bit to the ERC20 side to show some love over here as well, because it's a little bit, just a little bit more goes into these projects. And it's generally, from my experience, I won't even say that. You just want to always do your own due diligence. I'll say that. So just as Misty rides waves of her gem's waters, we will ride the wave of this token and shift the tides of the small cap space. Not a poo coin, not a meme coin, and anime token. So I like that. So I told y'all these anime tokens are the wave right now. So 100% Seifu. We are here to shake the game up. So taxes, 3% for development, 4% for marketing, 2% redistribution to you, token supply. Okay, so this is extremely low token supply right here compared to what we're used to seeing. So only 1 billion tokens, 50% burn, 46% of the supply, 4% to team, 1% each. Okay, this is very, very interesting seeing the low supply like that. So I want to take a look at the chart again. So the market cap is at 2.1 million right now. Has 298 holders, y'all. We are very, very early on this project, before the first even 1,000 holders. So this is, remember I told you, you get in a project, get the chance to get into a project before 1,000 holders, and you like the project, if you believe in the project, and you can diamond hands through the first few weeks of the project, you will most likely, see something very nice. Now, this is not financial advice, but connect the dots. Please go through my old videos and understand, the information I'm putting in front of y'all, so that way you can make a better informed decision. So let's take a look. So I like the Pokemon. Y'all know this is my era right here, so this definitely resonates with me. So let's take a look at the roadmap. One thing I don't see is the team section. Y'all know I like to see a team section so we can know who to hold accountable for the project. Maybe, some Twitter profiles, some LinkedIn profiles, something, and anything. If it's going to be nothing, is anything is better than nothing. So roadmap. Each bullet point in our roadmap is a milestone marked by a gym badge. I like that. Every 100 holders we will be running burns and buybacks to increase demand for the remaining supply. So I like that. I like that a lot. So this is a very good incentive to be in, on the early side, because every 100 holders, we'll be seeing some burns and different things happen. And the supply is already low on this, y'all. Connect the dots, y'all. Please come do your research. And I got a rule, if you're not gonna take the due diligence to reach out to the team via their Telegram, Twitter, social media, wherever they are, and ask questions, then you most likely shouldn't be investing in a project. Because some of y'all come out of the woodworks just throwing money in projects and, you know, don't do a split second of research. I want y'all to research, you know, so that way you can know what you're getting yourself into. That way you can determine your, you know, timeline for how long you want to hold the project. So Boulder badge unlocked. So 100 holders. Every great token starts somewhere. The first 100 holders are instrumental in the foundation of an organic community based on values that are shared and upheld. We have successfully launched a community that cares about Misty Inu just as much as we do. Next stop, 500 holders. We are only getting started. This sounds good to me, y'all. I like the way they talking. I like the way they put this together. I like the way I like, you know, when they got a little story in it. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. I got you on the course. Stay tuned. I got you. I got you. So Cascade badge. So CoinGecko listing. The village grows. The ground rumbles. The word of our token spreads like a tsunami over social media to let the world know who we are. By this point, we've made a true wave in the space by growing our community organically with a passion for greatness. So this is very, you know, this has those, you know, they say it's not a meme coin, but it has those meme characteristics, just meaning you're able to, you know, generate a lot of different meme type content from it, because, you know, you with Misty, you know, with the Inu, with the crypto space, that's, you know, that breeds, you know, the opportunity for, you know, a lot of community generated content to be created, which, you know, can be an exciting thing for a project like this. So Thunder badge, coin market cap listing. As the gym is filling up, we have secured the opportunity to be listed on CoinGecko. CoinGecko is the first step in the process to getting our token widespread exposure. We aim to give our token as much exposure as possible through unique means such as AMAs in various crypto communities and creating community incentives to generate more holders. Along the way, we will make goals as a community and decide as a DAO using various voting technologies. We can grow in a way that includes every single one of our holders. Okay, so rainbow badge unlocked. So partnerships and marketing. By this time, we as a community have arrived at the nexus between friends and family. This opportunity to be listed in something we take into mind and are truly proud to have accomplished as fast as possible. With this listing, we have created a community foundation that is made out of stone that can handle momentum and run with it. As we grow into a respected project in the space, we have lots of unique ways planned for you to participate and add to this project. Thank you to our entire community for helping make this goal a reality. So soul badge. So this hasn't been unlocked yet. So first manga short. Once we reach our soul badge, we will accomplish goals that are near and dear to the team's heart. With this project, we will release an animated short with Misty and her puppy as the main character. Now that's dope. That's gonna be dope. Now we're barking up into, you know, new, you know, because of course this isn't you know, copyrighted or most likely licensed content, but right now we in a decentralized space, you know. So if the community does what it wants to do and they support it, then, you know, there's no way to really stop it. You know, and this is not, you know, this is not financial advice, it's not legal advice or nothing like that, but I'm saying pretty much there's going to be some money made in this project. I'm not saying this project is going to be forever. I don't know how, you know, long. You got to tap in with the team and ask different questions, and this is what reading the roadmap will help us try to gauge, you know, how far out is the team planning. But, you know, I could tell you some money will be made in this project. So and that's not financial advice, so don't you know, always do your own due diligence. So next is the Marsh badge, Misty Inu merch. We truly have some of the greatest artists in the world on our team, and we already have some really cute and fun designs in the works for you. So volcano badge, central exchange listing. Here it is, the moment we've all been waiting for. But where do we go from here? With our marketing division and our team of developers, we have been able to formulate a plan of action that will ensure our growth into the future. So Earth badge, build a waifu of NFTs, a custom built waifu for you. We have a truly world-class team of artists working with us to enable you to create your own unique and beautiful or imperfect forever waifu for lifeu. So, okay, it sounds interesting. I would like to see some more use case to it. You know, maybe I'd like the, you know, the cartoon pilot, but I'd like to maybe see some NFTs, or are they moving into, you know, the metaverse space? You know, is it something like that going on? You know, because a lot of these other projects are thinking, you know, a lot further ahead right now with what I can see. So, you know, maybe it's just very, very early. Let's see exactly when this project was dropped. So this was, Oh, so this project is only about 6 days old. So it's very, very early in this project, not even a week old yet. So maybe they just, haven't had the chance to fully update everything. But those are the things that y'all want to look for, and those are the types of questions y'all want to ask. Like, what's to come in the future? So how to buy section here, it's loading. It's under construction, I think. Community tab. Okay, so yeah, so once the team, anybody from the team wants y'all, the community, if y'all decide to jump in this project, share this video with them, and I'm sure they'll see it. But these sections have to be together, because thousands of people will see this video, and y'all want to make sure when people see y'all project that y'all are really shining, y'all have things together, because it makes people more likely to want to invest. It makes people more confident to want to put their money in there, because they feel like, okay, these people have everything together, which I know is still very early, but those are things you want to get on top of early. So also, here's the Telegram, so y'all can check it out. It's I'll put it in the description section of this video as well. It's Misty Inu. So welcome to the first Pokemon waifu on the blockchain, Misty. She has also brought her new puppy Duck with her. Please join us on our journey. So I like that they even named the dog as well. So come tap in. 461 members, 108 online right now. So you want to get in there and see what the conversation is like. You want to ask questions. I'll pop in there and see especially if anybody gonna come jumping out of woodwork saying they grabbed a bag. I want to see that you did go ask some type of question. So check them out on Twitter. So they have only 146 followers right now. Very low amount right now, but they are followed by Charizard Inu. So connect the dots, y'all. You got to connect the dots. So at Misty Inu _ERC20. I will have that in the description section as well. So they were retweeted, or they were tweeted by Luciano, 1.2 million followers. Said another really interesting new crypto project, Misty Inu. This token is making waves in the space and got listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap shortly after launch. Huge things in development and partnerships being worked on. Check them out. So they're already working on some marketing. It's very, very early in this project right now. So so I got into Misty a few days ago and sold for a quick 3x. That was a mistake. Jumped back in this morning, only 285 holders, and just partnered with Charizard Inu. So there we go, y'all. They are partnered with Charizard Inu. Connect the dots, y'all. So I'm gonna let y'all come do y'all due diligence. I can't do everything for you. I also been being asked to bring y'all some NFT projects as well since the Shytoshi drop. So I just want to show y'all different things that y'all should be looking for, and this one came across my desk as well. So this is Sneaky Witches blogs this is their Sneaky Witches project blog from their Medium article, but I wanted to run y'all through this real quick so that way y'all get familiar with these articles. And also something I want y'all to keep in mind, that a lot of the NFT projects will have Discords versus Telegrams. So you'll start to notice that. So I'll give y'all the Discord real quick. Y'all want to tap in with them. It is Sneaky Witches server. So I'll put the link to this in the description section as well. So let's bust this Medium down real quick and just learn a little bit more about the project. Now, this is not financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence. Tap in, ask questions with the team. That's the important part. Learn. This is a learning process. You want to understand different things about different projects, what make projects successful, and you won't learn that unless you do your due diligence. So after receiving great feedback about the new sneak peek NFTs we've shown publicly, the team has decided to upload a few more teasers. The witches are coming to town. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So 1 day ago, Sneaky Witches, so 7,777 unique NFTs, so 7777. We are proud to announce the launch date of the 777 unique Sneaky Witches NFT. The sale will happen on Sunday, the 7th of November at 2100 hours UTC. Join the Discord, discord.gg/sneakywitches for live updates. Our goal is to stay in this for the long run and gravely appreciate early investors and believers. For that reason, you will receive one free NFT for every one minted on Sunday, the 7th of November for the first 1,000 minted. this will be distributed automatically. So pay attention. If you want to, tap in with this project and you do your due diligence and you like it, then understand that you would definitely want to get in at this time right here, because then you would get a whole one free. Remember what just happened with the Shiboshis? We seen those go from people minting them for 300 and immediately, being able to 10x their money, 20x their money on some of those Shiboshis. So, connect the dots. Obviously, this doesn't have as much traction behind it as a Shiboshi, so it won't do the same, launch, but you want to understand what NFTs are and the potential, because it might not be a 10x out the gate, but a quick 3x flip, that might not be bad. A quick 2x even, so money is money. So the roadmap consists of giving back to the community, royalties given to holders, and airdrop of a utility token to all holders that our devs are already working on. So that's interesting right there. They already got a token that they're working on. Our devs have years of experience working on DeFi projects and have given us the opportunity of working with him on this project. So more than just an NFT. Okay, I like that hashtag right there. So that's something that, I like to see use case, something more than just, that's something that's simple. But original mentors will receive a percentage of royalties even if they do not wish to hold sneaky witches. Hold on. Original mentors will receive a percentage of royalties even if they do not wish to hold sneaky witches. It will be distributed automatically to original minting address. That is legendary. That is major right there, y'all. That is major. I like this a lot right here, y'all. I'm not gonna cap. Y'all already know I'm gonna keep it 1,000 with you. Please come tap in with this project and just ask some questions and see what we have here with this, because that can be very beneficial. Imagine you can mint it, do a quick flip, you don't even have to hold it anymore, and you will always receive a residual royalty from that. That is crazy. That is crazy. So we aim to integrate our NFT into society, from working with huge event venues allowing users to enter events free of charge, to partnerships with gaming companies that would integrate our art into a MMORPG game whereby revenue of the partnership would be distributed to holders periodically, which is monthly. So that's like a new check every month you receive, and that is crazy. So we will actively adapt to the direction the community drives us into. I like that as well. Community, driven, and they're willing to, be flexible. So plans on the day of minting Sneaky Witches on the 7th of November and the week preceding. So moon phase. We will integrate into primary NFT marketplaces to grow our community. And this is really hard to read right here, I'm not gonna lie. But and give back to early supporters. Everyone who mints our witches will receive a percentage of royalties even if they don't hold our sneaky witches later on, which will be distributed periodically and automatically. So moon phase. Once 50% of witches are sold out, we will give back 25K of proceeds to a random user in the community. That is going to be major. Somebody's going to get lucky if this, reaches that 50% sold mark. So moon phase 3, 50,000 worth of giveaways in the Discord within 24 hours upon selling out to holders. That's going to be a mega giveaway right there. So moon phase 4, our community will decide a charity of their choice for a large donation. So moon phase 5, daily giveaways to mentors, and 50% of royalties will go back into the community as giveaways. So that's going to be crazy. So I wonder what qualifies as moon phase 5, what qualifies as moon phase 4. So we know that once this sells out, we hit moon phase 3, but what happens with these ones? So immediate plans after collection is sold out. So Discord giveaways and charity donation. So generalized crypto merchandise already in the beginning stages of planning for your daily crypto traders and fanatics. Rest assured, it will be suited for everyone in the crypto community rather than limited to just sneaky witches merch. I like that as well. That way we can expand globally in the crypto community. Holders of Sneaky Witches will receive 50% of merchandise profits. That's crazy. They wilding out right now. They putting use case all through this right here. So this is definitely seeming like something that I would like to hold. So I'm going to definitely do more due diligence than this. I'm going to ask the team some questions. You know, somebody from the team tap in with me, you know, but this sounds interesting so far. I really like the direction that they're heading. So, this way, it will boost Sneaky Witch's floor price to new levels in the NFT community. We are already in talks with manufacturing companies to strike a deal before the designs chosen by the community will be drawn by our professional artists. Twitter art competitions to show appreciation to artists in the space and grow as a community as well for the winners' art to be used in merchandise. Active giveaways for our holders in restricted Sneaky Witches only competitions will be held simultaneously. So 3, a utility token with a actual usage of which holders will receive a free airdrop of. Plans for this will commence following the setup of our crypto oriented merch. Watch out for this. So more than just an NFT. I like that. That's going to be, you know, a catchy hashtag right there if this project, you know, really gains traction and takes off. So hopefully, you know, they really put some marketing into this and get it out there, because this has some true potential here. So we're in this for the long run, and I like that they mentioned that as well. And aim to build a huge community inspired by Sneaky Vampires. So remember, Sneaky Vampires was a project that we covered, and you know it did nicely, you know, for the people that got in on Mint. So maybe later down the line you can see a collab or competition between communities. Life is like riding a they have a quote from Albert Einstein. It says, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. So Sneaky Witches are a team of dedicated UK-based crypto fanatics and believers constantly looking to innovate and adapt to the constant moving crypto world we're in. So join the Discord here again at discord.gg/sneakywitches. Y'all can just pause this and grab the website, or I'll have it in the description section of this video. Also follow us at twitter.com/sneakywitches. So let's check out the Twitter page as well. So the website is currently being developed, so be sure to join the Discord and follow us on Twitter. Let's open that up. So remember, November 7th at 2100 hours UTC. That is the mint date. So for every one NFT minted, you will receive one for free for the first 1,000 minted. So the minting price will be 2 Sol. So shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. I got y'all. I will tap in with y'all ASAP after this. So another thing that I liked it when I quickly scrolled through here was that, you know, it was Sol based, Solana based. So the minting price will be 2 Sol. We recommend having some extra Sol ready to pay the low potential fees. Here's a short tutorial on how to get ready for the sale. So come here to the Medium article. I'll put this in the description as well. But create a wallet. We recommend using Phantom/Solid or Solflare wallet. Here's the links to that as well. You could just pause and grab it. Phantom.app or Solflare.com or Solid.io. So buy Sol using a centralized exchange such as FTX.com, Binance.com, Coinbase.com. Deposit into your wallet. On Sunday, the 7th of November, head to sneakywitches.com for step 4, mint your desired amount of Sneaky Witches. Join Discord at discord.gg/sneakywitches for announcements and updates. Our team is constantly working on networking and expanding. So I really hope that, you know, they mean this, because this has some potential, man. I hope that they really do, you know, good with this one. So for a longer in-depth explanation, use this link for Solana for beginners. So y'all can come find the link in the description section of this video if y'all want to you know, check this Medium article out. Let's take a look real quick at the Twitter. Now remember, I want y'all to use my Robinhood link in the description section. I want to see if it moves my position up faster to the crypto wallet, so I can see, are they giving early access to to people with this crypto wallet. I really want to see that. So if you don't have the Robinhood app yet, use my link in the description section, or just share it. If you already have it, share it with somebody else that you know should be investing in stocks and crypto, so that way we can test this out real quick, and I'll let y'all know ASAP is that if that's what's happening. So here you can follow them on Twitter at sneaky_witches 7777. Unique witches taking over the town. More than just an NFT project. Tune in for announcements to the Discord, sneakywitches.com. So they were created October 2021. Okay, followed by Zach Boychuk. So 71 people they're followed by 1,977 people. So another sneak peek. The witches are coming to town this Halloween. to cause havoc. So NFT collection, okay. Okay, so they're trying to build their community up. So we are pleased to announce that at Sneaky Witches are coming to town. So retweeted by Solana Daily. Nice. Nice. Salute to everybody reaching out to the channel. I got y'all. So come tap in with the Twitter page as well to get more information. Take a look at some of these, ugly witches. But it looks cool in a way. The witches are ugly, but it looks, this is NFT. This is what the projects look like. So it does have that NFT, artwork, industry standard look to it. So it's what this project will balance on is the hype behind it. The community is really going to need the community to push it. I like that it's Solana based as well, so it might have some potential right there. So let's see what this does, man. Tap in, come follow them. Make sure y'all follow me as well at DecemberDeMarco. That's all we got for this video, man. Let's take another look at the SHIB chart. Let's come down to the 4 hour and see what it's looking like. So we got a doge candle forming right now off of support, slight downtrend. We're of course overall in an uptrend, but right here that was a slight pullback right there. So that doge candle might be a good sign for us if we can get some more buyers. We had the sellers come in and do their thing. Now buyers bought it up right there. Sellers have got it right now, but what we need to see is more buyers push it off of this 23.6 range. We need to break the psychological barrier at the 45 range, retest those 50s, break through, probably hit that 52 mark, pull back to the 50s again, and then we taking off to the 6s. That's what I estimate. This is not financial advice. This is just me, speculating based on the data that the chart is providing us with. So hope y'all find this, found this video useful. If it's anything, y'all like about the video, anything y'all want me to add, other projects that y'all are interested in, drop them in the comment section, man. If the community pulls up and enough people tell me that want me to check it out, then, we'll check it out. So that's all we got for this video. Again, I'm DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Hey, tap in and get the course, man. Limited time offer. I don't know what y'all doing. If y'all want to be able to do this yourselves, man, y'all got to tap in for this course. But that's all we got, man. We are out.